Hey there, writers and muse daters. Today I'm going to share with you a prompt that has to do with writing about gratitude. So, gratitude can be a really important aspect of journaling. And when we journal about gratitude, we see a lot of benefits in our health. If you'd like to know more, you can download the handout below. It goes through many of the health benefits of journaling. But I want to get straight into the prompt today as we wade into the waters of gratitude. So, in order to enter into the mode of thinking that gratitude requires, we're going to start with a simple exercise. So, uh, we're all interacting with people every day, sometimes in person, sometimes digitally, sometimes over the phone, but we're interacting with others. And today, what we're going to think about is one experience in particular in which you had an interaction with someone where something good has come out of someone else's action. So this is a fill in the blank activity, and it is in the handout that is below this video. But I will tell you the prompt. So here it is, part one. The other day, I felt really glad when fill in the blank. You're going to name or describe the person in your reflection here. So we started with the other day, I felt really glad when person. Next part, took the time or made the effort to. Are you going to say what this person did? Next part, the other day, I felt really glad when person took the time or made the effort to something. Here's the next part. I know that this person could have the alternative, another path this person might have taken, perhaps in self interest. The other day, I felt really glad when person took the time or made the effort to something. I know that this person could have something else, next part. But lucky for me, this person chose to, and here you're going to describe what the person did. The other day, I felt really glad when person took the time or made the effort to something. I know that this person could have something else, but lucky for me, this person chose to, the thing they did, next part, this action. And here you're going to describe how this action affected you practically. So, in practical terms, they gave you a muffin, you were hungry, you got to eat something practical. All right, here's where we are. The other day, I felt really glad when person took the time or made the effort to something. I know that this person could have something else, but lucky for me, this person chose to what they did. This action affected me practically and made me feel. So here you're going to talk about how it affected you personally. So for this person who gave me a muffin, it satisfied my hunger, but I also appreciated the generosity. I felt seen, whatever it is that you felt as a result of this experience. Last one. Here's where we've been so far. The other day, I felt really glad when person took the time or made the effort to something. I know that this person could have something else, but lucky for me, this person chose to whatever they did. This action affected me practically and made me feel whatever. Thank you. The name of the person. So this is just one simple exercise in gratitude that we can practice every day that really helps us to start to see what's going on in our lives, some of the things that maybe we take for granted, or at the end of the day, we might have forgotten about, not taken the time to notice. But here, through this exercise, this is just one of many activities that we can do to practice gratitude in our writing every day. I'm excited to hear how this prompt goes for you. And until next time, happy writing.